Hello guys, so today guys, again we have a new camera from Sony. Again guys, we have the new Sony Fx30. So this is the Fx30 guys. The box is similar with the Fx3. It's similar box with the Fx3 guys actually. See, it's a brown box and this is the box of the new Sony Fx30. Yan, cinema line. Again guys, regarding for the specs, I will not talk about the specs of the Sony Fx30. Instead, I will put in the side the specs of this camera. So at least you will pause and you can read guys regarding the specs of this camera. But today we will make a quick unboxing what's inside the box of this new Sony Fx30. So without further ado guys, let's start unbox now this new cinema line Sony Fx30. So ayan, this is the box again for the Sony Fx30. Ayan, let's open. Okay, so first you have all your manuals. It's very important to read the manuals. Of course guys, your manuals. You have a very styling tie here. Parang, what you call this one?
SBC.
No, yung pantali. It's like, yeah, but it's very... Yeah, it's artistic tire wire. But again, you have your USB to USB-C connector. So I believe this is for charging or maybe, let's see. But USB to USB-C. Let's check if there's include the battery. For sure, the battery of this one is similar with all Sony NP-Z100 type. Ayan. So again, this is the USB to USB-C. Ayan. So let's open. Yun. First, yun, you have your cables for DC cables. Yan. You have from Europe, US, or kayo nang bahala dyan. Yan. Yan, no more. So, next is this is the main body. So, mamaya na yan. Again, on this side, we have the battery. I think the battery, yes. It's NP-Z100. So it's similar with all mirrorless full frame camera that we have, NP-Z100. So yan. Ano pa? Again, we have adapter for sure. This is adapter again. Yan. You want to charge the battery by USB. Yan, direct to the camera charge. Charging mode, not no. Diba? Next, we have here, I think this is the top handle. Yan. This is the top handle guys. And again guys, for Sony now they have this type of wrap. Parang maka ano sila no to plastic, parang ganon, di ba? Eco-friendly. Yun, di ba? Tama si shoutout kay Palaboy FW. Eco-friendly din yan di ba? Di ba? Galit sa mga plastic yan, kaya ito, kailangan ganito.
Kaya mapapel.
Oo, kaya mapapel yan Kaya mapapel, galit sa plastic. Hindi nga, mas maganda to, kudos sa Sony, di ba? Mas gusto ko yung gantong style. Kasi pwedeng sunugin to, di ba? Pag ganito, madali siyang masunog. So, yan. Next, ano pa ba? Wala na? So, again, ang camera. Again, guys, the camera is ayan, I think it's smaller compared for the Fx3. So, let's try to compare the body side by side with the Fx3. Say, we have a Fx3 there. Yan. So, I think let's double check. Yan. So, this is the main body of the new Fx30. Wow. Di ba? So nice, guys. Wow. Yan. Similar with the Fx3. The build quality, I think. And yan, guys, the look. Actually, if you view this or yan, if you check this in far from maybe from you, you will not think that this is Fx30. It looks like Fx3. But again, we'll make a side-by-side comparison. But first, yeah, this is the Fx30. Cinema lines, include cinema line there. Yan, andyan, di ba? But it become more bigger when you put ito siya. Tama ba? Dito. Yeah. It will be like this, guys, with the top handle. So, with the top handle, yan. Top handle, microphone, of course. You have the gain control in this area. Yan. XLR, you have two XLR type. And I think there's a 3.5 jack. No? Wala. Pero XLR, for sure there is. Yan. let's check the camera, guys, itself. Ayan. At the back of the camera. Ayan. So this is the back of the camera. Ayan. FX3. You have white balance, WB 1, 2, 3. Record button, joystick. Ayan. Again. So this is the FX3, guys. You have your mode dial. And let's check the FX3 and compare side by side, guys. What's the difference between the FX3 and the FX30? Okay, guys, so on the left side, this is the FX3, and the right side is the FX30. I think, guys, for the body itself, the size is not that much difference, guys. There's a little, but it's not noticeable. But again, FX3, it's little. I think it's a little more bigger compared for the FX30. For the buttons, guys, they have similar buttons. Yes, I can see that's like identical buttons. From the mode dial, from the menu, everything, guys. It's like, ayan, it's totally identical. This is the FX3, and this is the FX30. You can see the buttons here. Ayan. It's all similar, guys. Totally. And the size, not that much comparison. I think, guys, but for the specs, again, the FX30 is a little brother for the FX3 because this is a crop sensor, while the FX3 is a full frame sensor. Yan. But both in the cinema line. And of course, this is more cheaper compared for the full frame, which is the FX3. But again, guys, in this video, this is only a quick unbox and quick comparison, side-by-side comparison, a quick side-by-side comparison. But the specs, we'll do a comparison, guys, on the next vlog. So again, guys, I think that's it for today. So again, on the next vlog, we will do a side-by-side comparison between this FX3 and the FX30. Ayan, guys. So again, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout siyempre sa PBK 2.0. Kailan ba i-update yung ano natin ba? Yung logo na 2.50? 2.0.
Next week.
Next week. Yun. Again, guys, check nyo ang aming page PBK 2.0. Yan. Sama ko si Palaboy FW na nasa likod ng camera natin ngayon. Ang ating cameraman, si Brian Puntanar na nandun. Nagkakape ata. Kasama si Audrey at si Julius na nasa Pinas. So, yan, guys. Again, guys, if you want to check the camera, you can visit us here in AAB World, guys. So you can check all our new cameras and our camera from Sony to Canon to Nikon to Fuji to Blackmagic. Yan. It's all here in AAB World Mega Store. So you can visit our new store line. Guys, sorry. Mega Store. Here in Symphony Showroom. Symphony Mall. Parang gano'n. Symphony Mall, guys. Again, guys, again, if you want to check all the cameras that we have from Sony, you can visit us here in Mega Store in Symphony. Again, or check to our website www.aabworld.com. So all the cameras lineup that we have is already in our website. Again, also the specs from the camera, each camera is already in our website. Guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.